Crash course on the White House and its history and current role in American politics. The White House is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. It is located at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue Northwest in Washington, D.C. and has been the center of American political power for over 200 years. In this crash course, we will explore the history of the White House and its current role in American politics. History. The White House was designed by Irish architect James Hoban and construction began in 1792. It was completed in 1800 and became the official residence of the President of the United States when John Adams moved in. The building has undergone many changes over the years, including a major renovation in the early 1900s under President Theodore Roosevelt. Throughout its history, the White House has been the site of many significant events, including presidential inaugurations, state dinners, and international summits. It has also been the target of several attacks, including a fire set by British troops during the War of 1812 and a plane crash in 1994. Current role. Today, the White House serves as the official workplace and residence of the President of the United States and their family. It is also the location of the Oval Office, the Situation Room, and other important offices where the President conducts their official duties. In addition, the White House serves as a symbol of American democracy and power. It is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world and is often used as a backdrop for political events and speeches. Interesting stories and examples. The White House has a long history of paranormal activity, with many reports of ghostly sightings and unexplained occurrences. Some of the most famous ghosts include Abraham Lincoln, who has been seen in the Lincoln bedroom, and Dolly Madison, who is said to haunt the Rose Garden. During World War II, the White House was converted into a hospital for wounded soldiers. President Franklin D. Roosevelt would often visit the soldiers, and it is said that he once snuck a drink with Winston Churchill in the White House bathtub. The White House has been the site of several historic meetings between world leaders, including the 1987 summit between President Ronald Reagan and Soviet Premier Mikhail Gorbachev, which led to the signing of the INF Treaty. In 2015, the White House was illuminated in rainbow colors to celebrate the Supreme Court's decision to legalize same-sex marriage. The display received widespread attention and was seen as a powerful symbol of progress and equality. The White House has been the subject of many popular movies and TV shows, including The West Wing and House of Cards. Its iconic architecture and rich history make it a favorite location for filmmakers and storytellers alike. One of the most famous rooms in the White House is the Oval Office, which has been the primary workspace for presidents since its creation in 1909. The Oval Office is known for its unique shape and features many important artifacts, such as the Resolute Desk, which was a gift from Queen Victoria of England. In 1948, President Harry S. Truman ordered the renovation of the White House, which had fallen into disrepair after years of neglect. The renovation took 4 years and cost $5.7 million, but it modernized the building and made it more functional for modern-day use. The White House has been home to many pets over the years, including President Barack Obama's dog, Bo, and President George W. Bush's dog, Barney. President Calvin Coolidge even had a pet raccoon named Rebecca who lived in the White House. The White House has been the site of many protests and demonstrations over the years, with people coming from all over the country to voice their concerns and advocate for change. Some of the most famous protests include the Women's March on Washington in 2017 and the Civil Rights March on Washington in 1963. The White House has been a symbol of American political power and democracy for over 2 centuries. Its history is deeply intertwined with the history of the United States, and its role in American politics will continue to evolve and change with each passing administration. In conclusion, the White House is a symbol of American democracy and power that has been the center of American political life for over 2 centuries. Its history is filled with interesting stories and examples, from paranormal activity to historic meetings between world leaders. Today, the White House serves as the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States, as well as a popular tourist destination and a symbol of American progress and equality. As the country continues to evolve and change, the White House will remain a fixture of American politics and a reminder of the nation's rich history and democratic ideals. Here is a brief summary of each president's time in office. 1. George Washington, 1789 to 1797. 2. John Adams, 1797 to 1801. 3. Thomas Jefferson, 1801 to 1809. 4. James Madison, 1809 to 1817. 5. James Monroe, 1817 to 1825. 6. John Quincy Adams, 1825 to 1829. 7. Andrew Jackson, 1829 to 1837. 8. Martin Van Buren, 1837 to 1841. 9. William Henry Harrison, 1841. 10. John Tyler, 1841 to 1845. 11. James K. Polk, 1845 to 1849. 12. Zachary Taylor, 1849 to 1850. 13. Millard Fillmore, 1850 to 1853. 14. Franklin Pierce, 1853 to 1857. 15. James Buchanan, 1857 to 1861. 16. Abraham Lincoln, 1861 to 1865. 17. Andrew Johnson, 1865 to 1869. 18. Ulysses S. Grant, 1869 to 1877. 19. Rutherford B. Hayes, 1877 to 1881. 20. James A. Garfield, 1881. 21. Chester A. Arthur, 1881 to 1885. 22. Grover Cleveland, 1885 to 1889. 23. Benjamin Harrison, 1889 to 1893. 24. Grover Cleveland, 1893 to 1897. 25. William McKinley, 1897 to 1901. 26. Theodore Roosevelt, 1901 to 1909. 27. William Howard Taft, 1909 to 1913. 28. Woodrow Wilson, 1913 to 1921. 29. Warren G. Harding, 1921 to 1923. 30. Calvin Coolidge, 1923 to 1929. 31. Herbert Hoover, 1929 to 1933. 32. Franklin D. Roosevelt, 1933 to 1945. 33. Harry S. Truman, 1945 to 1953. 34. Dwight D. Eisenhower, 1953 to 1961. 35. John F. Kennedy, 1961 to 1963. 36. Lyndon B. Johnson, 1963 to 1969. 37. Richard Nixon, 1969 to 1974. 38. Gerald Ford, 1974 to 1977. 39. Jimmy Carter, 1977 to 1981. 40. Ronald Reagan, 1981 to 1989. 41. George H. W. Bush, 1989 to 1993. 42. Bill Clinton, 1993 to 2001. 43. George W. Bush, 2001 to 2009. 44. Barack Obama, 2009 to 2017. 45. Donald Trump, 2017 to 2021. 46. Joe Biden, 2021 present. Each of these presidents has left their mark on American history, shaping the country and its role in the world in different ways. From the founding of the country to the current day, the office of the president has played a crucial role in shaping American politics and society. *****, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, AnnHub Metaverse team.